Good morning, student. Now I am going to solve the question number 6, which is based on the chapter Motion in a Plane. And student, question is given. Now I am going to read the question. Listen carefully. Question number 6. Establish the following vector inequalities geometrically or otherwise. First one is mod vector A plus vector B less than equal to mod vector A plus mod vector B. Second part, mod vector A plus vector B greater than equal to mod vector A minus mod vector B. Third part, mod vector A minus vector B less than equal to mod vector A plus mod vector B. And fourth part, mod vector A minus vector B greater than equal to mod vector A minus mod vector B. And last question in that question number 6. When does the equality sign above apply? And student, we have to prove all these. So student, we have draw here two vector, vector A and vector B, which is taken in the same order, and their resultant is taken in the reverse order. So it forms a triangle OQR, and using the triangle of vector addition, vector A plus vector B with vector A plus vector B, and its magnitude we can take mod vector B, mod vector A, mod vector A plus vector B. So here now the direction of the vector B is changed. So this will be what? Minus vector B, and this will be vector A. Now again we use the triangle law, vector A minus vector B, and resultant which is taken in reverse order. So this is vector A minus vector B. This is the resultant, and two triangular form. And we can take the mod vector A, that is positive, mod of minus vector B, which is positive. And here we also use mod vector A minus vector B. So first of all, students, we have to prove first mod vector A plus vector B is less than equal to mod vector A plus mod vector B. And student, you know that for formation of any triangle, one side of a triangle is always less than the sum of the other two sides. So we use this property in any triangle. One side is smaller than the sum of two other sides of a triangle. So here we use the triangle OQR. So one side of a triangle, that is what? Vector A, vector B. First side, that is what? OQ. Second side, that is what? QR. Third side, that is what? OR. So third side, that is what? We use magnitude of. Magnitude means what? The length of this OR. So magnitude we can take just like that. This one, magnitude, this one, and magnitude of this, which is also, that is what? This one, and magnitude of this, which is written as in this manner. So this side is less than the sum of this side. So we have to first prove mod vector A plus vector B, which is less than mod vector A plus vector B, which is less than, that is what? Mod vector A plus mod vector B, one side of a triangle is less than the sum of the other two sides, and this is first part. Now we have to show equality sign here. And student, if two collinear vectors A and B pointing in same direction, pointing in same direction, it means what? Vector A and also vector B, which is acting in what? Same direction. So student, we can write it. Their sum can be written as what? Their sum can be written as vector A plus vector B. And student, mod of this can be written as what? So we have to prove here. Mod vector A plus mod vector B, which is equal to mod vector A plus mod vector B. So now I am going to explain this by taking example. This is the equality sign. Mod vector A plus vector B, which is equal to mod vector A plus mod vector B. If two collinear vector A and B pointing in the same direction, then it will be obtained. For example, student, vector A, that is what? Suppose that 6i का log positive axis, collinear vector B, which is what? 2i cap. Both are vector A and vector B, which are collinear vector acting in the same direction. So now we find, show this property mod vector A plus vector B, which is equal to mod vector A plus mod vector B, if two vectors are acting in the same direction, which are collinear. So first of all, we have to find vector A plus vector B. So vector A plus vector B, that is what? 6i plus 2i. So vector A plus vector B, which is comes out to be what? 8i. Mod of this vector, mod of vector same, is square root of 64, that is what? 8. So mod vector A plus B comes out to be 8. Now student, we have to find mod vector A. So mod vector A, which is comes out to be, that is what? 6. And mod vector B, that is also, that is what? 2. Now add it. Mod vector A plus mod vector B, which is what? 6 plus what? 2, that is what? 8. See that mod vector A plus vector B, which is 8, which is equal to sum of mod of vector A plus mod vector B, which is also equal to 6 plus 2, that is what? 8. So this and sum of this is equal. So we can write this. So there is no need of writing this example. This example is for to understand the concept why we are writing this. So if two collinear vector A and B pointing in the same direction, so mod vector A and mod vector B can be written as, so mod vector A plus vector B, which is equal to mod A vector plus mod B vector. Now student, equation 1 and 2, left hand side mod vector A plus B same, and right side also is, that is what? Same. Here that is what? Less than sign. Here that is what? Equal to sign. So we have to prove here. So we can write from combine equation 1 and 2. Combine equation 1 and 2, and we can write mod vector A plus mod vector B less than equal to mod vector A plus mod vector B, and equality sign holds for theta equal to 0 degree, because both vector in one dimension motion, vector A and vector B, which are collinear acting in the same direction. So equality sign, in which case equality sign holds in this case when both are in the same direction or collinear. So equality sign holds for motion in one dimension and when theta equal to what? 0 degree. And now I am going to solve the second part, student. Second part, that is what? B part, vector A plus vector B not equal to, less than, greater than equal to vector A minus vector B. Vector A minus vector B. And student, now again we use the property of triangle, and you know that one side of a triangle is more than the difference of two other side of a triangle. So for proof of second part, B part, we use the property of triangle. In any triangle, one side is more than, one side of a triangle, one side is more than the difference, of two other sides. So student, again we use, because we have to prove it, mod vector A plus vector B. So first side, suppose that we have taken, that is what? This side, and this side is what? Greater than difference of the two other side of a triangle. So vector A plus vector B, which is written as, student, that is what? Greater than mod vector A minus mod vector B, and suppose A is greater than B, magnitude of A is greater than magnitude of B. So student, this is the first property, and now situation is just reverse in second part. If vector A and vector B are collinear vector acting in opposite, pointing in opposite direction, opposite direction. So in this case we can write vector A plus vector B, which is equal to mod vector A minus mod vector B, and this is equation number 2. And student, again we use the example. Vector A, that is what? Positive x-axis, and vector B, that is what? Negative x-axis. So if vector A and vector collinear vector pointing in opposite direction, for example, if A, that is what? If vector A, that is what? If vector A, that is what? 6i cap, and vector B, that is what? Minus 2i cap. Minus 2i, it means what? This vector B, which is acting in opposite direction. Now we have to find what the relation holds this equation to by using this property. So we have to find vector A plus vector B. So vector A, that is what, 6 I cap. Vector B, that is what, this one, that is what, 4 I cap. Vector A plus vector B. And student, taking the mod of this comes out to be that, again that is what, 4. Now we have to find mod of vector A, that is what, 6, and mod of vector B, that is what, it is also positive, but we have to find mod vector A minus mod vector B. So mod vector A minus mod vector B, that is what, 6, that is what, 2. So student, comes out to be that is what, 4. So mod vector A plus B, which is 4, equal to mod A vector minus mod B vector, mod A vector minus mod B vector, which is what, 4. So that is what, by taking the example, equation 2 is completely fulfilled. So we can say that if vector A and B are collinear vector pointing in opposite direction, then mod vector A plus vector B, which is equal to mod vector A minus mod vector B, and this is the equality sign, and this equality sign holds, that is what, two vectors act in opposite direction. So in this case, student, here in this case, equality sign holds for theta equal to what, 180 degree, when two vectors A and B are acting in opposite direction. Now student, third part, that is here C part. Now I am going to derive the C part. Mod vector A minus vector B, mod vector A minus mod vector B is greater than equal to mod vector A minus mod plus vector B. This is the third part, C part, and same property we use as the first property. Now student, now we use this triangle. And one side of a triangle is less than the sum of the other two sides of a triangle. We have taken here mod, means what, length of this and this, OQ and OP. So in any triangle, one side is smaller than the one side. We have to prove this one. One side of a triangle is smaller than the sum of other two sides of a triangle. That is one side we have taken this one. So that is what, mod vector A minus mod vector B, and which is what, less than, this side is less than the sum of OQ and QP, and that is what, by mod vector A and mod vector B. Mod vector A plus mod vector B, and this is equation 1. And student, equality sign. So if two vectors, if vector A and vector B are collinear and pointing in opposite direction, so we can write this equality sign. mod vector A mod vector A minus vector B, which is equal to vector A plus vector B, and this is equation 2. And again we take the example. Vector A acting in opposite direction, two collinear vector pointing in opposite direction. Suppose that vector A, that is what, 6i, vector B, that is what, minus 2i, opposite direction, positive x axis, negative x axis, collinear, acting in opposite direction. So first we have to find A minus B. A minus B, that is what, 6i minus 2i. It comes out to be that 6 to 8i. That is what, A vector A minus vector B. And mod of this, mod of vector A minus mod of vector B, student, that is what, 8. Now we find mod of vector A, which is what, 6, and mod of vector B, that is what, which is also positive. Now we have to find mod A plus mod B. So mod A plus mod B, student, see carefully. So 6 plus 2, which comes out to be that is what, 8. So mod vector A minus vector B, which is 8, which is equal to mod A plus mod B, which is also equal to 8. So this equality sign holds when two vector A and vector B are collinear pointing in opposite direction. And in this case, equality sign is hold for theta equal to what? 0. So equality sign holds for theta equal to what? 180 degree. If two vectors A and B are acting in opposite direction. And student, now going to derive the last part of this question in the same way, that is D part. D part, that is what? Mod vector A minus vector B, which is greater than equal to vector A minus vector B. And student, again we use the in the triangle property, one side of a triangle is greater than the difference of the two other side of a triangle. So in any triangle, one side is more than the difference of other two sides. So student, we use here one side we have taken, that is what, and their length, that is what, mod vector A minus vector B, we have to show here, and this side is more than the difference of this side to this side, which is greater than, one side is more than the difference of the other two sides. This is the first property we have to write here. And now equality sign. And equality sign, if two collinear vectors A and B are acting in the same direction, then we can find it in the same way as the previous cases. So we get vector A minus vector B, which is equal to mod vector A minus, and this is equation 2, and combining equation 1 and 2, combining equation 1 and 2, and we find, student, mod vector A minus mod vector B, which is greater than equal to mod of vector A minus mod of vector B. And this is the proof of all part of A, B, C, D. And student, in C part, student, the equation is written in C part equation, that is first equation, that is what? Which is less than vector A plus vector B, and this is equation, and second, that is what I have already shown, and vector A minus vector B, which is equal to mod of vector A plus mod of vector B. This is, and combining this equation, you must note down, combining this equation 1 and 2, so we can write vector A minus vector B, that is what, less than equal to mod vector A plus mod vector B, and equality sign holds for theta equal to what? 180 degree. This is the solution of the given question number 6.